Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda and thank you so much for stopping by, or if you're new here, I really appreciate if you guys will stick around and join my little family here on YouTube. I'm trying to be more consistent. I've been really sick lately. Like, I couldn't even talk. I had no voice. I kept coughing. I had the worst cough of my life. My ribs hurt because I was coughing for like 3 days straight non-stop. It was horrible. I didn't have COVID, but it was just really bad. Our weather here is like horrible, just like it is anywhere else. It's like so bipolar anywhere. But I did want to stop by and show you guys my new purse. I got a new purse, which I'm so excited about. I've been wanting the YSL purse, you know, the medium one. I wish I knew the names and I still don't remember the name of that one, but it's the one everybody has. We don't have a YSL here in El Paso, so like something over $1,000 like that, I really like to get my hands on and try it on and see how it looks on me before purchasing it. But I've been looking for a black bag for a while because for some reason I don't own a black bag right now. But when I was looking for black purses, I ended up coming across this little beauty and I actually fell in love with it. So my husband, you know, I had shown it to him and he actually, you know, went to the mall and picked it up for me as a little surprise, and I do love it so much. I got one of my, you know, Christmas, birthday, anniversary presents. Soon my, you know, it's Christmas, then it's our anniversary the day right after, and then my birthday is January 3rd, so everything like comes so fast. But yes, so this is one of my presents which I absolutely love. So this is the Nola Michael Kors clutch. I haven't owned anything Michael Kors in a very long time, but I really like it. My husband was a little hesitant because it is faux leather, so he was like, oh look, what if it looks cheap, or it's not an everyday bag. And it's probably not an everyday bag, but for me, I use it every day because, believe it or not, I've been wearing, you know, I'm very casual because I am at home. So when I go out, I try to look decent and cute, but you know, comfortable. So this, I definitely dress it down and it looks really cute, or you could dress it up and it looks really cute with heels as well. So this has the little MK emblem right there, which is so cute because it's like so sophisticated and, you know, it's just not like right out there. So I just thought it was so cute. It looks really cute when you're wearing it. And then you have, you know, little discreet Michael Kors, which is adorable. This purse, we got it on sale for $2.98. I think regular price was $3.98, which is still very reasonable, and I'm just like, I just love it so much. The only thing with this purse is that you do need 2 hands to open it because it's an actual clutch, but it's pretty roomy in there. Like, that's why it is my everyday bag. I need a lot of space. I'm used to my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, you know, the one everybody has. I love that bag because everything fits in there. Everything fits in there. It's comfortable to carry around. I just carry everything around because I do have 4 kids. So, you know, for me to carry everything around in this purse coming from that humongous GM Louis Vuitton, it's like perfect, you know, because that used to be my everyday bag. But you know, I did want a black one, like I said, so it fits my, you know, my makeup bag, it fits my wallet, my big wallet. And I also carry this around because usually, you know, when I'm on the run and I just want to take this out of my purse, I do that. I carry this big thing of gum because for some reason everybody asks me for gum. And then I have this in my purse. So this is pretty big. This is the body butter from Fenty. I'm sure you guys know I'm late to the party. This is my first one. I'm obsessed with it and I take it with me everywhere. I know it's probably left at home and use it right after the shower and then that's it. No, I take it everywhere with me because I love it so much. So yes, I guess I'm just obsessed with it because it's new to me that I just like, oh my god, every 5 minutes I'm using it as like hand, you know, excuse me, hand lotion. If I cough, I'm sorry, but it's just, you know, I've been sick. So this is what it looks like. It does have, you know, a little compartment here and a little, you know, compartment right there where I carry my lip glosses. Usually my hand sanitizers are, but I don't know where it is. I gotta find it. It's those little tiny ones. But yeah, so it fits like everything very good and it doesn't look bulky. It looks very cute. It keeps its shape. So this is what it looks like. Just adorable. It does say that this is adjustable. I don't know if I said that already, but to be honest with you, this is already small enough and big enough. So if you want it smaller, I guess it's just so you could carry it like an actual clutch. But other than that, I don't see why you would need adjusting, but it does come, you could adjust it if you want to. As you can see right here on the sides, it doesn't come with a longer strap, so just keep that in mind if you're okay with a chain strap, because this is all it comes with, unless you want to hold it like an actual clutch. But there it does kind of lose its shape. Price rise, it is $298. We got it on sale. I don't know if the sale's still going on, but it's only $398 if you pay the full price, which I think is pretty reasonable, because of the size of it. And you know, it's a very cute bag in my opinion. You know, I just love it. It's, you know, kind of, you know, just, there's not too much going on here. I'm kind of boring though, so I don't know if people will actually like it, because I just like plain stuff, you know what I mean? So, but I just thought it was cute and sexy at the same time. Yeah, so I don't know if the sale's still going on. I don't really know. I haven't bought anything Michael Kors in so many years, so I'm not sure if they have rewards, points, or anything like that. But yeah, if you're interested, definitely check it out. I do recommend it, and it's just so adorable. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please comment down below, and I will be back with another video next week. Again, I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel and join my little family here on YouTube. We'll see you next time.